What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to another cryptocurrency video. And in today's video, I want to share my thoughts, my opinions regarding the Bitcoin price. Now, I'm sure you guys know it. We are actually in quite a critical level at this moment. So in my opinion, the next day will probably or most likely give us an indication what's next for the short term in Bitcoin. Now, guys, take this how you want this. In the long term, I think Bitcoin will go much higher. So this video is more for the short-term analysis. Now, please be aware this is not advice. So please don't use this as financial advice. It's just my thoughts and what I'm looking at the charts. So let's show you some charts and I'll show you some things I am looking at. Okay, so this is the 1 hour chart in Bitcoin. And as you can see here, we have had a couple of bounces here, but what I'm really waiting for is to break above the $57,500 level approximately, because you see right over here I want to be above this, so then we can create potentially a double bottom and maybe a higher high, and that can give us maybe an indication that the dump is over. However, right now we still haven't confirmed that, because you can see we've had a little breakthrough or a little pump this morning from 53.6, and we're currently at 56,000. So yeah, I've actually put in a long position this morning over here, but the real moment will be when we, or if we, break above the $57,500 level, sorry, $57,500 level, because that's basically a clear indication if we will be breaking above. And then of course also it could be, you know, if that happens, it will be like a nice W pattern, which is normally a double bottom. Now let's go into the 4 hour charts. As you guys can see, this line here, it's not exactly straight on the dollar, but this is what I'm talking about. And if we bring out the EMA ribbon, you can see we are below the EMA ribbon, which is obviously we are on a 4 hourly downtrend so far at this moment. So we still do need to come quite a bit higher to be above the 4 hour EMA ribbon. And then this is actually quite a big one. If we go to the daily chart, you can see we are literally hanging here. So we've actually had a little wick below it, but we haven't closed below. And now this is very important, guys, because we don't want to be closing a day below the daily EMA ribbon. That is not going to be a good sign if that happens. So what I want to see is, I want to see us coming above the 57,500 level. That will be a good sign for the short term. And that's basically the main things I'm watching at this moment. But you can see, guys, from previous, you know, dumps we've had here, we've come down, we've tested the EMA, the daily, as you can see over here, and, you know, I would be worried. We're talking about short term, that the dump potentially could go lower is if we break the daily EMA ribbon. So that's what I'm watching at this moment. However, guys, I will be holding myself from trading. As I said, I did put in a trade this morning, but I won't be trading that much Bitcoin until we have a clearer indication. And to be fair, I've been trading a bit more with stocks recently. So Palantir is something that, you know, in my opinion, is a very good share to look into. But anyways, this is about Bitcoin. This is what I am looking at the moment for Bitcoin. However, guys, of course, with this massive dump that we had over the weekend, I definitely couldn't hold myself back but buy the dip. So I've done that. However, I haven't gone all in because, as I said, I wasn't, you know, we're not sure yet if the dump is over. So you don't want to put in all the money that you want to invest straight away, because if the dump does go lower, you do want to have money to buy the dips. So this is what I done. This is not financial advice. I actually did not buy Bitcoin. I did buy a few altcoins that I am really bullish on for the longer term, midterm. So that's definitely what I've done. So I picked up some of my altcoins at a discount, in other words, and some of them actually up nicely already. And yeah, that's what basically I'm looking at, and this is what I'm doing for the short term. So guys, please smash the like button if this video was helpful. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye now.